Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Canva for YouTube intros. First, navigate to Canva's website or open the application. Then, use the search bar to type YouTube intro to access a wide array of design options. You can either begin with a completely blank canvas for full creative control or select from thousands of professionally designed templates. Remember, a compelling intro is typically concise, lasting around 5 to 10 seconds, to effectively capture your audience's attention without delay. Now, let's personalize your chosen template. You can easily modify the text, experiment with various fonts, and select colors that align perfectly with your brand's palette. Don't forget to upload your unique logo or any other specific brand assets to maintain a consistent visual identity across all your content. Take time to adjust the timing of each element, ensuring a smooth and dynamic flow that truly engages your viewers from the very first second. To truly make your intro pop, explore Canva's vast library of stock videos, images, and graphics. You'll find countless options to enhance your visual storytelling. Next, consider adding royalty-free music or engaging sound effects to establish the perfect mood and energy for your channel. It's crucial that all these visual and audio elements work together harmoniously, reinforcing your channel's unique theme and leaving a lasting impression on your audience. Before finalizing, always preview your intro several times to ensure everything looks and sounds perfect, catching any minor errors or timing discrepancies. Once satisfied, download your completed intro in a high-quality video format, such as MP4, for optimal playback. Finally, integrate this polished intro seamlessly into your YouTube video editing workflow, ready to captivate your audience from the very beginning of every new upload.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.